Hey, listen.
What's that? Please, Thursday. Does this fit here? No, it doesn't. Are you new here? You're nasty.
With the warning that I might slip. And when you climb on top, that's the ultimate road trip. Ride on me like your pot, got me thinking it's 96. I can rap on some 90 shit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's now formulated.
It's not even good.
Trash.
Mm-hmm.
It's because I'm trying to run into that car. Oh my god. I'm trying to cross the street.
Oh, hello, Papa. Your love goes over and over. 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 Over and over. Over and over. Your love goes 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 over and over. Over and over and over and over and over. over and over, over and over. Your love goes 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 over and over, over and over and over and over and over. Your love goes 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 over and over.
Are you kidding me? Stop it.
Oh, hello, Papa.
Love goes, your love goes over and over. 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 Over and over, over and over. Your love goes 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 over and over.
Hi.
Over and over and
Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Hi if you're new here, my name is Allison. If not, thank you so much for tuning back in. So today's Sunday and we are filming a weekend vlog because I started filming like yesterday when I was doing my hair. I have a scarf on my head right now because I'm trying to let the edges sit, but it's currently 5:34 p.m. and I was supposed to be doing self-care today, and it's not self-care to not have eaten at 5:34, and we haven't eaten at all today. Like, what did we eat? Nothing, right? Yeah, basically
Yogurt.
that's true. We snacked on like yogurt and granola this morning, and that was it. So I am starving. We're about to go to our our new favorite coffee place, really. It's Armour. It was actually my last video, like the last vlog that I uploaded today, and we love that place. Like ever since we discovered it, it cannot be beat. And I've been talking about like coffee and croissants since Friday, and I've been really craving that. So we're gonna go and get some food from Armour, and then we need to get over to like my husband's sister-in-law's house like after that. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the evening, but I have no idea what we're eating for dinner. I don't even think we've spoken about dinner because we still haven't even had breakfast. I always feel embarrassed when I'm like vlogging in the car and then like a car pulls over next to me and people are looking at me like I wonder what they're thinking. It shouldn't matter, it doesn't matter, but you know, I'm still like a shy person naturally, so like I'm always like, we're gonna get food and I'll see what we do for the rest of the evening. I'll for sure bring you guys along because this vlog ends today, so it kind of needs to make sense. The house is very clean. I'm very satisfied with everything that I have done today, but I need to go and do homework in the evening when we go back home. So that's the evening, and I'll catch up with you guys soon or later. So we got our food, and I got like bacon and turkey sandwich, but I got it on a croissant and it looks so good. Here's like what the half of it looks like. Yeah, I'm so excited. And then for the drink, they have like they have like a seasonal drink. Yeah, white chocolate brevet. It's really, really good. And I got that last time I was here, and I got it again today because it's so good. But I got it decaf because I cannot handle caffeine. So I'm gonna sit here and eat for a little bit, and then we're gonna go on our merry way. We're just like too hungry to like even continue this journey without eating. So yeah, if you live in Dallas, try this place. It's really good. I'm gonna put the name on the screen again, but you know, thank me later. All right. What the fuck, because I feel like you got a chip on your shoulder. Okay. He's on his routine.
Ooh.